Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best book label you can get your hands on. The Avery multi-use removable labels, 1 inch by 3 inches, white, non-printable, 72 blank labels. Model number 6728. Whether you're organizing your bookshelf, labeling for a move, or customizing items for kids or your office, this little label is surprisingly powerful. Let's start with what sets these labels apart. These are not your average sticky notes or basic tape labels. Avery has crafted a smooth, white surface that you can write on by hand, making them incredibly convenient for quick, on-the-go labeling. You won't need to worry about formatting, printing templates, or special software. Just grab a pen or marker and go. And if you're wondering about removal, that's where these labels truly shine. The adhesive used is specifically designed to be strong enough to hold onto most smooth surfaces like paper, glass, plastic, metal, and even wood, but gentle enough to peel off cleanly without leaving sticky residue behind. That makes them ideal for temporary use, such as labeling borrowed books, classroom materials, or anything you might need to update or reuse later. The label size, 1 inch by 3 inches, gives you just the right amount of writing space. It's compact, but still roomy enough for full names, dates, or detailed notes. That makes these labels a perfect fit for tagging your notebooks, school folders, bins, spice jars, storage boxes, mailing envelopes, and yes, even as name tags during events or meetings. Each pack contains 72 labels, spread across easy peel sheets. Since they're not designed for printers, you won't waste time messing with alignment or jams. This is truly a product for those who value speed, clarity, and flexibility. Let's say you're moving house and need a temporary way to label your book boxes or personal files, no problem. If you later decide to reuse that box or change what's inside, simply peel off the label and write a new one. Teachers, parents, students, small business owners, and even hobbyists will all find these labels incredibly helpful in a wide range of everyday tasks. And the durability? These labels stay stuck until you want them off. They don't curl, smear, or rip when removed. That alone puts them a level above generic alternatives, especially when you're working with delicate or reusable surfaces. To wrap it all up, the Avery multi-use removable labels 6728 are a classic example of how a simple, well-designed product can make your life easier. They don't require fancy tools, they don't leave a mess, and they do exactly what they're supposed to, every time. If you're looking for an easy, reliable solution to organize, personalize, or temporarily tag your books or other items, this is your go-to choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review.